Bonjour, Paris. Welcome to the city that never fails to enchant and inspire. From its iconic landmarks to its hidden gems, Paris is a place where every corner tells a story. Paris, the city of lights. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a dazzling spectacle of illumination, with every street and building glowing in a warm, inviting light. Romance, history, and croissants, it's a traveler's dream. Imagine biting into a perfectly flaky croissant, its buttery layers melting in your mouth as you sit in a quaint bakery that has been serving locals for generations. Imagine strolling along cobblestone streets, the scent of fresh bread filling the air. Each step you take is a journey through time, with centuries-old architecture standing proudly beside modern boutiques and cafes. Charming cafes beckon you to sit and soak in the atmosphere. Whether you're sipping on a rich espresso or indulging in a delicate pastry, these cafes are the perfect spots to watch the world go by and feel the pulse of Parisian life. Paris is a feast for the senses, a city that captures your heart from the moment you arrive. The sounds of street musicians, the aroma of freshly baked bread, and the sight of elegant fashion all come together to create an unforgettable experience. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, or a foodie, Paris has something for you. The Louvre, with its vast collection of masterpieces, offers a journey through art history that is unparalleled. Each gallery is a treasure trove of human creativity and expression. Get ready to be enchanted by its beauty and energy. The Eiffel Tower, a symbol of Paris, sparkles like a jewel against the night sky, reminding us of the city's enduring allure and magic. Our 10-minute adventure starts now. Join us as we explore the heart of Paris, uncovering its secrets and celebrating its timeless charm. From the bustling streets to the serene gardens, every moment in Paris is a memory waiting to be made.
No trip to Paris is complete without a visit to its iconic symbol, the Eiffel Tower. This Iron Lady dominates the skyline, a testament to human ingenuity. Take the elevator or test your stamina with a climb to the top. The views are breathtaking. See the entire city spread out before you, a sea of rooftops and monuments. At night, the tower sparkles with thousands of lights, a truly magical sight.
Next stop, the Louvre Museum, home to some of the world's most famous masterpieces. Prepare to be awestruck by the Mona Lisa's enigmatic smile and the Venus de Milo's timeless beauty. The Louvre's vast collection can be overwhelming. Focus on a few key areas or take a guided tour. Don't miss the Egyptian antiquities or the Italian Renaissance paintings. Even a short visit to the Louvre will leave you inspired.
Notre-Dame Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, has stood on the Ile de la Cité for centuries. Though scarred by a recent fire, its spirit remains strong. Witness the ongoing restoration and imagine its former glory. The cathedral's stained glass windows and flying buttresses are architectural marvels. Light a candle inside and experience the serenity of this sacred space. Notre Dame's resilience is a testament to the enduring spirit of Paris.
Section 5, Seine River Cruise. Glide through history. For a unique perspective on Paris, take a cruise along the Seine River. Glide past iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre, and Notre Dame. The gentle rocking of the boat and the passing scenery create a soothing ambience. Listen to the onboard commentary or simply enjoy the views. A Seine River cruise is a memorable way to experience the City of Lights.
Section 6. Latin Quarter, Bohemian Heartbeat. Venture into the Latin Quarter, the historic heart of Paris. This lively neighborhood is home to the Sorbonne University, charming bookstores and bustling cafes. Get lost in the maze of narrow streets and discover hidden courtyards. Enjoy a traditional French meal at a sidewalk cafe or browse the shelves of Shakespeare and Company, a legendary English bookstore. The Latin Quarter's vibrant energy is contagious.
Section 7. Montmartre, Artist's Haven. Climb the steps to Montmartre, a hilltop neighborhood with a village-like charm. This historic artist's haven is where Picasso, Renoir, and Van Gogh once found inspiration. Browse the work of local artists in Place du Tertre, visit the white-domed Sacré-Cœur Basilica, and enjoy panoramic views of the city. Montmartre's artistic spirit is palpable in its every corner.
Section 8, Marais, trendy charm. Explore Le Marais, a trendy neighborhood with a rich history. This former Jewish quarter is now a hub for fashion, food, and culture. Discover hidden courtyards, vintage shops, and art galleries. Sample falafel from a street vendor, or savor a pastry at a traditional boulangerie. Le Marais' eclectic mix of old and new makes it a fascinating place to explore.
Section 9, Parisian treats. Eat like a local. When in Paris, the best way to truly experience the city is through its food. The culinary scene here is a reflection of its rich culture and history. No trip to Paris is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. From the bustling street markets to the quaint cafes, every corner of the city offers a unique taste of Parisian life. Start your day with a buttery croissant and a café au lait. The flaky layers of the croissant paired with the smooth, rich coffee is the perfect way to begin your morning. Many locals enjoy this simple yet satisfying breakfast at their favorite neighborhood bakery. For lunch, savor a croque monsieur or a salade niçoise. The croque monsieur, a grilled ham and cheese sandwich topped with bechamel sauce, is a comforting classic. Alternatively, the salad niçoise with its fresh vegetables, tuna and hard-boiled eggs offers a lighter yet equally delicious option. In the evening, treat yourself to a classic French dinner, steak frites, coq au vin or bœuf bourguignon. Steak frites, a simple yet flavorful dish of steak and fries, is a staple in many Parisian bistros. Coq au vin, a hearty chicken stew cooked in red wine, and bœuf bourguignon, a rich beef stew, are perfect for those looking to experience traditional French cuisine. Don't forget to leave room for dessert, a delicate macaron or a rich chocolate mousse. The macaron, with its crisp shell and soft, flavorful filling, is a delightful treat. Chocolate mousse, with its creamy texture and intense chocolate flavor, is the perfect way to end your meal. Whether you're dining at a high-end restaurant or a cozy cafe, Parisian desserts are sure to impress.
Section 10. Short trip. Tips. Maximize your time. Short on time? No problem. Maximize your Paris experience with these tips. Purchase a Paris pass for access to attractions and transportation. Use the metro. It's efficient and affordable. Plan your itinerary in advance and group attractions by neighborhood. Pack comfortable shoes. You'll be doing a lot of walking. Most importantly, embrace the Parisian lifestyle. Slow down. Savor the moment and enjoy the city of lights.
Section 11, Au revoir, Paris. As your 10-minute adventure comes to an end, we reflect on the journey we've taken through the heart of this magnificent city. Paris, with its timeless allure, has offered us a glimpse into its soul. We bid farewell to Paris, but its magic lingers in our hearts and minds. The city of lights, love, and art has left an indelible mark on us. From iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and Notre-Dame, to hidden gems tucked away in charming alleyways, Paris has a way of captivating every visitor. Paris has captivated us with its beauty, history, and charm. The grandeur of its architecture, the richness of its history, and the elegance of its streets have all contributed to an unforgettable experience. We've only scratched the surface of this incredible city. There are countless stories yet to be discovered, countless corners yet to be explored. Return soon to delve deeper into its neighborhoods, museums, and culinary delights. Each arrondissement has its own unique character, each museum its own treasures, and each cafe its own charm. Until then, let the memories of Paris inspire your wanderlust and remind you of the joy of discovery. The city has a way of calling you back, urging you to uncover more of its secrets. Au revoir, Paris. We'll meet again soon, with new adventures awaiting us in the city of dreams.